Megumi. Guess where I am? We are having Somali food party in Tokyo. After the launch of YouTube video clips of Somali neighborhood, we had screening and Somali food party. So we have about 7 food that actually Yuriko make. KK, Somali pasta, sambusa, you name it. Somali cuisine that we had in Minneapolis are here. I also helped.
I didn't know you were a chef.
We made Somali food using Somali spices, which we bought from Somali grocery shops in Minneapolis. Everyone loved it. And she's actually making...
Yes, Angelo.
Angelo.
Do we get this one?
Whoa, quick.
Angelo is one of the principal food for Somali people. Yuriko actually learned how to make Angelo from the restaurant in Somali neighborhood.
If it's not working, I and then fast you can. Keep going. とにかく早く回して、ぐるぐる回して、で、蓋を閉める。そこまでは急いでやらないといけないみたいですね。最初なので。
Yuriko practiced so many times to make it. Now she serves Angelo in Tokyo. It is such a rare occasion to have it here. This is another dish that is hard to find in Tokyo. Did Tokyoites liked it?
めっちゃ美味しい。
すっごい美味しい。特にラクダの肉びっくりしました。意外とこの噛めば噛むほど味がすごく出てきて、こんなに風味のあるものなんだってびっくりしました。思ったより食べやすくて。
うまいっす。
うまいっす。
美味しい。ビリヤニ、ソマリ風ビリヤニがすごく美味しかった。
ラクダ肉もうまいっす。
Banana.
Somali food with banana. We just enjoyed Somali food here in Tokyo thanks to Yuriko.
So we're having great time and we're just loving the food, Somali food. So, いきますよ。せーの。We love Somali!